extracting a marker.
Oh!
My supervisor Leon's nuts with excitement. Did you know he's a unitologist?
Yeah.
This is a big deal.
Big.
Leon's always been nuts. Anyway, we don't know if it's a marker or just a big rock. That's why we're doing this, so the boffins can study it.
Boffins.
Sam Caldwell, if you had an imagination, you'd be dangerous.
We'll see about that tonight.
Oh.
Ooh. I look forward to it.
I do too.
Gotta go, honey. I love you.
I love you too.
At least
Later.
she's alive. No needles for her. She said this is big. She's better than Nicole. Nicole said such a little thing. She said this is big. I like her. She knows when it's big. Lost. On island. It's Isaac. Oh.
Sam, come on. Get suited up quick, or the only day you'll have is with an overtime sheet.
Say no more. Maxine's already mad at me. She'd kill me if I bailed on her.
Well, no one else is standing by. All we're waiting for is you, so don't expect me to make excuses if we're still working tonight.
Okay. So like, what are the controls? It better tell me. I'm Isaac. Grab your face.
Come on, hurry up.
Alright.
Alright, let's get this done.
It's quite yummy. How do I shoot? Oh.
Sam, is your helmet secure? Sterling, this is Cooper. I'm already out of sight. Where the hell are you guys?
Yeah, we're on our way, boss. Be there in a minute.
You seen that vidlog of the marker that's going around? Looks just like the one back on Earth.
Right, don't
Just like the one unitologists claim is back on Earth, you mean? And there's one big difference. Earth is Earth. Whereas this beautiful place we call Aegis 7 is nothing but a ball of space rock. I mean, come on, what on earth?
Quite bad at this already. How do you reload?
And there it is.
It is. Let's shoot it.
It's bigger than I imagined.
Boy, boy. Even he said it's big. Such a big thing.
About time. Give Banks a hand fixing up the tracking loader.
All three of us?
Damn straight. If this thing gets so much scratched, Chief Barrow will have us all scrubbing air vents.
Oh. Scrubbing the alien goo out of air vents.
Hey, Banks, what do you need?
The wind's blown out some of the track we laid. Rivet it back into place and get it tight.
Okay. How do I rivet the track?
That thing's gotta be man-made.
No.
Hurry up! Cooper's already pissed off that we're late.
Look where we are.
I'm right behind you, Sterling.
We're at the end of the game. Here comes some bastards.
Guess all that target practice paid off, huh?
Yeah, really, I didn't miss a shot. Oh. Yummy.
Good job. Now get the loader's arms in position. One of you TK it, the other two rivet the joints.
Egan, I'll take these two. And watch your aim. I don't want to end up on crutches like Matthews.
Oh, you will. Oh! Oi. Oi.
Central to Caldwell. Those joints need to stay tight. Hold your rivet gun sideways and fire a fusion bolt into the target.
Ah.
Right in the hole. Nice job.
That's dodgy. Gotta hold it sideways.
Nice work. Alright, Sterling, Egan, get the loader in position by the mark.
Door. Sorry about that, we had a delivery of lino. Lino. Yep, as in kitchen floor. I hope this is recording alright, because I am. Now, B to fire your weapon, Z will reload. Right. Twist sideways to... For instant reload, press Z again. Use that to change weapons. Pull objects. Create objects. Shoot a time-stopping stasis. View your rig. Doors, elevators. Path selector is active. Highlight a path line. Jump hologram. Speaker to your ear to hear audio logs. Shoot boxes, vents, grates, hold A to drag the Wii remote. Ugh. This is gonna be dodgy.
Good, well, you finished the job.
On it, boss. Alright, Egan, let's get this thing on board.
Nice. Quite good.
Lexian's right. Leo would flip if he saw this.
Now what? The license.
Steady your hand there, Sam.
No.
I got it. Almost there.
Work. This is just training level.
Looking good. Counterbalance is stable, gyros online. Ready for load. Stand by. I'm starting a 5 down.
A 5 down. Work.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, mark.
Mark. Ah! You will not steal the mark.
Shit. Whoever it was that blew out Gravity 716. Corporal Sterling, Egan, get over there and stabilize it before we have a miniature black hole in our hands.
Wow.
Banks and Bear, we'll give a mark on the side. 16. Which one's that? The closest one, you idiot. Head down Megaman 24. You can't miss it.
Here we go. Run.
What the hell was that?
Monster.
Come on, guys. We gotta get a move on.
Sterling to Central. I'm outside. Can you tell me what that bang was? Shit. The flash must have knocked out comms too.
We don't need to do this. We do actually. Do you remember this area? It's like we're playing the game backwards. It's alright, I've already done
Can't
that.
see a thing without the lights.
Yeah, really. No. You don't need to do this. It's going to brighten up in a minute.
There should be a box of glowworms near our storage chamber. We use them.
Glowworms.
You were right. I found a glowworm.
Shake the Wii remote. How mouldy? It's not mouldy actually, it's good.
Look around. We should grab some supplies before we head down.
Damn straight we should. No! Dr. Kine, the artifact from the colony does indeed appear to be a genuine marker. The first to be found in Unitology 200-year history. I'm eager to get it on board the ship so I can study it properly. The potential is enormous, not just for me personally, though it's true I've dreamed of such a discovery for decades, but also to humanity and the Church of Unitology in particular. This marker could herald the dawn of a new age for mankind, and I will do my part to ensure it comes to pass. I know the Church will be grateful, but the true recognition will come from all of humanity unless they are blessed. Yum. Damn straight we are, biznitch. No, not yet. Fine. Oh. Come on. Slow blokes. Why did I take the helmet off?
Airlocks are engaged. We should be fine now.
Don't put it down. No time to rest. What? Oh, she is.
Shit. Sounds like someone's in trouble.
Oh, she is.
Hold on! Wait a second. We don't know what's going on in there.
Great. By this.
What the fuck? What in God's name are you doing? Get off it! Chip! Stop! I'll shoot you!
I'm trying to.
Rivet guns pack a punch. Shit! Help me! He's out of his mind! Sterling!